Howdy, we're Paws, and we created a gamified budgeting app for Tamuhack 25. So, there is a big problem with budgeting. Not a lot of people do it. Budgeting is very difficult to do on the go. Not everyone wants to deal with an Excel sheet. Budgeting can be boring. And a significant portion of Gen Z workers, around 31%, are actually not actively saving for retirement. So, to solve this, we are introducing Paws. So we're going to go through with a real quick demo. So this is our home screen. You can see that it's a phone view of our web app. You can view your collection. We'll show you later what it looks like. And you can also interact with your kitties. And they'll do little fun animations. But the core functionality of the app lies in the budget and savings part of the app. So essentially, you'll get a daily task that you can complete to get paw coins. I'll show you that later. There's also a monthly recap. You're able to filter these different categories to see if you're over budget or under budget. Unfortunately, we seem to have spent a little too much this month, so we're all over budget. You can also sort your transactions from high to low. If you click on a category, you can scroll and see your transactions in more detail. You can also view your savings, which will directly draw from your deposits, and also sort that from high to low, and it'll show you your most recent deposit. You can also edit the goal if you wish to save more money.
Yes, so I can show you how we do our budgeting. We do it by, you see our daily tasks. When we spend under $20 today for shopping, we can do completed, and then you can get some more paw coins. And then for monthly recap, we have data for what you did previously. So previously this month you spent around 1,800, and we have all the data here on like how you spent it and what you can do better to instead of spending it, as well as we can go into gacha, where we have a little fun aspect of it where we have 100 tokens, and then we can use a wish where we can roll for something. And then it's one of our 3 cats. So right now we just got Snowball. We'll show you where that goes later. But inside the shop, you can also buy accessories for them. So we have a bunch of accessories. We have a bunch of bows, crowns. And then, so let's try buying the bow. We just purchased the bow. And we can go back to our home where we can see our collection. So see here we have actually all of them, so that's where you see them on the front screen, as well as we have the bow and a few other ones that we've tested out. And so for our back end, so to kind of go through what we did for the back end, we used Gen AI to generate all of the personalized tasks using the Mistral model with Amazon Bedrock. We essentially provided them prompts where they're a financial educator helping their clients to learn to save money. And alongside that, we give them daily tasks. So inside of here, we give them daily tasks where we tell them that to give them personalized based on their data. So we feed them their data for weekly, and then monthly and daily data, as well as we use this both for the daily tasks as well as the monthly summary. So we also used a database. So we used the SQL database from Amazon Bedrock as well as the Capital One API. So all of our money saving stuff is actually based off of Capital One's API, where they store all their data, and then we just built a route on top of it. And we also do all the parsing and included our own kind of aggregating for it. So we did categories where we can sort by people, by like food and drinks, house and utilities. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for listening.